Is your Fitbit Charge 6 blinding you when you check the time at night? Or maybe you've noticed your battery draining way faster than advertised. You aren't alone. The display settings on this tracker are powerful, but out of the box, they might not be optimized for your daily life. I'm Anna. Welcome back to For Real. Today, I'm not just going to show you how to reduce the screen brightness on your Fitbit Charge 6. I'm going to walk you through a complete display setup that will save your eyes and potentially double your battery life. Let's dive in. First things first, let's tackle that brightness. If you're coming from an older Fitbit, the menu layout here might feel a little different because the Charge 6 borrows some interface elements from the Pixel Watch and Google's Influence. Step 1. Wake up your screen so you're on the main clock face. Step 2. Swipe down from the very top of the screen. You might need to swipe a few times to scroll past your quick toggles until you see the Settings app. It looks like a blue gear icon. Go ahead and tap that. Step 3. Once you're in Settings, swipe up to scroll down the list until you find Display Settings. Tap on that. Step 4. Right at the top, you'll see Brightness. Now this isn't a slider, it's a toggle. When you tap Brightness, you are cycling through 3 specific modes. Let's break down when to use each one so you get the best performance. First is Dim. This is the lowest setting. I highly recommend this if you work in an office, spend a lot of time indoors, or simply want to squeeze the absolute maximum days out of your battery charge. Next is Normal. This is the default. It's a balanced middle ground. Finally, there is Max. You will know it when you see it. It's very bright. You really only want to use this if you're going for a run in direct, harsh sunlight. If you leave your Fitbit on Max indoors, you are going to see your battery percentage drop significantly faster. Okay, reducing brightness is step 1. But if you really want to control your display, we need to look at screen wake. Stay in that display settings menu and scroll down. You'll see an option for screen wake. You can set this to auto, motion, or manual. If you talk with your hands a lot or you're tossing and turning, auto is going to wake your screen up constantly, even if the brightness is low. Switching this to manual, meaning you have to tap the screen to see the time, is the single biggest battery saver available aside from brightness. However, if that's too annoying, just make sure your screen timeout is set to default rather than long. You don't need your watch glowing for 10 seconds after you've looked away. Now, a common question I get is, Anna, do I have to change my brightness to dim every single night before bed? The answer is no. Please don't do that, it's a waste of time. Instead, use sleep mode. Swipe down from your main clock face to the quick settings, the first menu. Tap the icon that looks like a moon. When sleep mode is on, it overrides your brightness settings. It sets the screen to dim, turns off the motion wake so it doesn't light up when you move, and silences notifications. In the morning, just turn sleep mode off, and your brightness returns to your normal daytime setting automatically. It is a game changer. So to recap, head into Settings, hit Display, and toggle that brightness to dim or normal to save your battery. Avoid Max unless you're fighting the midday sun. And remember, use that moon icon for sleep mode so you aren't manually changing settings every night. You now have total control over your Fitbit Charge 6 display. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. What watch face are you using on your Charge 6? I'm looking for a new one and I'd love your recommendations. Don't forget to subscribe to For Real for more tech tutorials that get straight to the point. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.